Alright guys, so welcome to 876 Barbie. It's Moya Lovely. And yeah, you've seen this face already. You probably see it in two other videos. I did a makeup video of this look. I did one eye. So if it came out good, you'll be seeing how I did this eye. I used a new tool to create the cut crease. So yeah, check that out. But yeah, you've seen this look. I had another mommy video, so please check that out for Mother's Day. I know I'm doing this, so you've seen this face already. So yeah, hi, I'm Moya Lovely, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe, like, comment down below, like what are some of the things that you use for baby. Yes, so this is going to be a baby video. I didn't say that. A baby related video. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, help me bring the subscription up, because you know my nice and so I do the mommy video them, I do the makeup video them, I do the vlogs them when I go out usually I keep. But now they're on quarantine inside, so I try to do some more videos. I have a lot of videos to edit, but bear with me. I've been saying that, I know. But yeah. But anyways, I'm going to be doing a video on some of the empty items like that I've used with baby, and even talking about some stuff like that I don't have the empties for, because that would be gross, like diapers, if I can remember them off the top of my head and stuff. But yes, I'm going to go through this little, he's pale, I put some of them in there and go through them. Some of them like might be closer to this age, you know, and as we go down from newborn or whatever. So or should I do it in the order? Right, I'm going to do it in the order.
So when baby, sorry guys. Alright.
So sorry about the rackers and the noise. So the first items that I used on baby were these Live Clean Baby, and these are economically friendly, tearless gentle moisturizer and baby lotion. So it's gentle moisture baby lotion with lavender, olive oil, and chamomile. It's 97% derived, plant derived. It's paraben free and polyphenol something free, so it's very good for newborns, and it's the same with the shampoo and wash. So I use this in baby hair and to bathe baby. They are virtually like really scent free. They have a soft scent, but I'd say it's scent free, very soft scent, like nothing artificial or whatever. It literally smells like natural, not in a bad way. I love these. This was very moisturizing on baby skin, very gentle, no bumps, no reaction whatsoever, and I was happy for that. I even want to get some more of these for this, even this stage at 1 add 2 that's going to. I love these. Like, this is something I recommend if you can get your hands on it. What if it will focus? Live Clean. This is something I'd recommend. Very good product, very natural. This is a Canada based product. My aunt sent this for baby, so I'd recommend that. Very, very natural, very clean, just very good overall. The second product that I used was the Johnson's Natural line. So it's the natural, it's 99% natural, so I guess it's something similar to that. So it's great for newborns as well, hence why I used it at that stage, because I delayed using lotion for a couple weeks because he didn't need it, and we were using the olive oil, which what they recommend for babies at that time, olive oil in the water and stuff like that. So he didn't really need it. So this was later when we started to want to use, well, want, because we don't need anything, want to use moisturizer on baby skin. This is what I used, and I was happy. It was natural, not scented at all. This one wasn't scented at all. Very light. Well, if it have a scent, something, it have a little scent, cause it must smell like something, but you could, like, if you have allergy or anything as a mom, it wouldn't affect you. So that's what I mean, like, no scent. So very natural, great for baby skin, didn't affect him the least bit, and so on and so forth. So going forward, as about close to one, close to one, no, not close to one, like after that I started using, because these were harder to get if I didn't want to ship anything. So these weren't on the local market, or I couldn't find it on the local market in Jamaica, because I'm in Jamaica. So I moved to the Johnson's Baby Moisture Wash. Love this because it's very moisturizing. It has a nice lather, and I like soaps to have lather. It make me see where the soap will go and know say it clean. So I moved to this, and I like this. It has a scent, so I wouldn't really use this for newborn, because I prefer scentless stuff or more natural stuff for newborn, because you don't know what can affect their skin, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So this was later down, like months after. Oh, and the desitin that we started with was Pentante, this Penaten, and it's a creamy pomade. It's the diaper rash that we use. I still use the little version of this in my baby bag. It's very good. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't have that, what you call the desitin scent, if you don't know that scent there. It doesn't have that scent, but it's the same like the desitin, creamy and white. So yeah, that's what we use. It kept away the rashes on baby bum, and it was very good, worth it. And this, oh, this is something I should say, this jar lasts me a year. Yeah, I'm not joking, it lasts me a year, because I had this up to his 1-year-old birthday, his first birthday. So this lasts a long time. Even the one that we have now, it's desitin, and it's going, and it's almost 2. So I recommend these size, like for home, these size, because they last long and they're worth the money. Like, you get more for your buck. Continuing, the lotion, good lotion. I love the scent of this, so I just buy this for the scent, not because it work good or whatever. It is moisturizing, good for baby skin, gentle but not as bomb as those. But I love the scent of this, so I do use this. We still use this now on baby. All right, so I am a mother of routine. I learn and read. Don't have mommy to tell me what to do, so I learned and read that baby needs to have a routine. So one of my things for bath time was a lavender scent bath gel, and this I would say helped a lot. Not only the routine, but the scent helped baby to relax and realize that, oh, it's bedtime, it's time for me to slow down and relax, and I'm going to bed. Mommy's going to snuggle me up and give me breast, and I go to bed. So this, like, I have a whole lot, and even more, because I hubby saw I was hoarding and decided to throw out a few. But yeah, this is a few that I have here, and I would recommend this for a routine bath time for bedtime. This helps baby to relax, because because the scent of lavender, if you don't know, is relaxed skin and calming, so it helps with baby for bath time. Next is wipes. Let's talk about wipes. So in the initial stage, I use Pampers wipes because I bought those by the pack. The Pampers wipes are excellent. I love the little colorful packaging and stuff like that. It's good, very moisturizing. It holds a lot of moisture, so it's good for you know, those runny poo and stuff like that in the initial stage, and even to this day they're good. After moving from Pampers, the brand wipes, we moved to these Members Mark wipes. We got this from his godmother. She was away when he was born, so she bought a good amount of these and we use them. These are the Premier Scent wipes. It's have tea tree and cucumber, and it smells so calming. Like, this smells calming. Like, it didn't have a high what do you call it, scent like the Pampers does. Like, you know, that fun scent that the Pampers have. This is a calmer scent, like a really calming scent. I'm hearing some noise in the background. I don't know if baby woke up again. I hope not. But yeah, very calming scent. And I like this a lot. Good amount. It holds 96 wipes, so it lasts me a good amount of time. I don't know how much it costs, but I know this is valid for your money because these are good amounts. What next? So after using the pink bottle of soap, I decided to try this baby moisture shea and cocoa butter wash, because I'm all about moisturizing baby skin. You know, baby skin have to healthy and look good, especially since that we're in Jamaica, hot climate, skin dry out and so I tried this. I like this. I like the scent, even though scent don't really matter to baby, but I like the scent, and I still use this intertwined with all of the other stuff. So we're actually using this now with the lotion, with the same lotion, the lotion that matches this, and I like that. It's soft. I think the lotion to this has a softer scent to the pink one, and I like that because, you know, it's a boy. This one to me smell more girly, always did, and even though I love it personally, but this is a softer scent. So yeah. All right, so I decided, because we were going on vacation, I wanted to get something that we could just carry, and in case my left it won't really matter. So we bought the White Rain Kids 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner and body wash. It's not a 3-in-1 because it's still conditioner at all, but it was good for the purpose. Just wash out baby hair and wash body for when we were coming out of the pool, the seawater and all of that, just to do what we needed quick and bathe while we're at the resort. So yeah, I'd recommend this just for a quick use, inexpensive. This one was the Pure Splash. It kind of reminded me of this with the look and the scent, because it's scent free and it's also tear free, and it's for gentle for sensitive skin, so it was gentle on his skin as well. It kind of reminded me of this, as I said, but a little less natural, if you get what I mean. But yeah, this is not so bad for the price and for the purpose. My throat. All right, so our next thing that I used on baby was baby oil. Not really a fan of these kind of baby oils, because it's not really needed. I normally use coconut oil. I still have his coconut oil in the room, so that's why I didn't carry that out here. But you know, just to try it, and the fragrance for him to smell like baby, that's why I bought this. And so it's a small bottle, so I just rub a little bit of this so him have the baby smell, that added baby smell, because him still smell like baby. And so that's why I bought this. So it served this purpose as like a baby cologne and stuff like that. I like the scent. It's inexpensive and it did its purpose. And you know, sometimes when you want them look well oiled up when you go road, that's what a baby oil is for me. Like, because these don't really make them look oily. They are moisturized, but them do look oil up. If you know, it can't go road as adult look dry. Your baby can't go a road look dry either. Alright, so second to last item is the men's medicated powder. I'm not really pro powder, but I don't remember why I even got this, because I hardly use it. Because you know, there's so much things and cancer related to powder and all them, something asthma and so I didn't really even put it around him neck. What I use it for was his pubic area, since he's not a girl where they say it's related to cancer in girls more. I use it on his genitalia area, his his little boy parts, on because I use nappy on in the period where I know he'll only be peeing and not pooing, because you know you don't want the poo to stick to their buttocks, so that's why you need the diaper rash, so so it don't affect them. So when I know he had his morning poo, I'd use this to keep him dry and for him to feel cool in the day, and that's when I use this. I didn't use it a lot because this lasts me over a year. Yeah, this lasts me over a year because it just done one day, and I had it from I had it a good while. But yeah, I like the scent of this. Like, personally, I like the smell of this. It smells nice. It smells like baby. Whew. But you know, the things that were related to powder, the asthma because of the dust particles and the cancer causing and all these theories about powder, I don't really see the need of it, because I'm not gonna put it like how people put it around their baby neck. I'm not gonna really put it around the baby neck because he was sensitive, and the least little thing will cause rashes around his neck. Like, no, like even to this day, after when anybody taking care of him, I have to remind him to wash his neck properly, make sure the soap gone, because if not, he's going to get rashes around his neck. And even if the soap is sensitive, he's just going to get rashes if his skin is not washed off properly. All right, so the last item that I have here is the pear soap, and this is one of the only soaps. The other soap that I used was one that his grandma bought for him. It was also a lavender soap for bath time. It wasn't one of those inexpensive soaps that you can get out here in Jamaica, but this is another soap that I recommend if it is that you don't want to buy these, or if you just want to have another alternative, which is why I bought this. It's sensitive and good for baby skin. Nice soap. If everybody know about the gentle pure soap, good soap. I love this, and the translucent one, I love the scent of it. They have a blue one that I used on him as well. I love the scent of that one more. It's relaxing, but I like using these. I never say I like using these because these are tear free, so if I rub him eye and him cause mischief in the bath, it won't affect his eyes, so it won't burn him and make him burn and all. And I think for that reason him love bath time. So him, though he has not experienced that burn sensation from soap and so, because most of the things that I use on him are tear free, so it won't burn his eye at bath time. So yeah, so that is what I have remaining from my Empties haul, baby haul. I really anything, if I should recommend that you can go and get, like if you're in Canada or even in the States, I recommend the Live Clean for your newborn and the Johnson brand, even though there's some controversy all the time about different products, but I know for a fact it won't burn baby eye and them clean the baby. So Johnson's for after newborn, like after newborn, you know, when them just come out a few months, like 3 months after, you can start using this. To me, that's how I did it. Like so yeah, those are my empties what baby has used. There's a few other things that I've used on baby, but I probably threw them away. Oh, Pampers. No, I use some Canadian brand Pampers in the when we were in the hospital, so I love those. They're comparable to the Swaddlers, but they were so tiny and cute, and the those things held up. I love the Swaddlers for newborn. I love the Huggies for now because it's inexpensive. It's let me not say inexpensive. It's less pricey than like a fraction take off from the Pampers brand. You guys know I do cloth diapering as well. That is still going on. Yes, still going on. The main time of the day that we use Pampers, like disposables, is at night, because I tired them flood on my bed, because that was happening, because we never wanted to wake him up to change him, so we decided to just put him in Pampers so he won't flood with the bed. So that's the most part, or when we decide to go, like. But nowadays that I got the now at this stage, now that I got the Velcro covers, those are like all like regular nappies. I don't know if I show you guys it, but I got the Velcro ones, and they're like regular disposable diapers, like to how they detach on everything. So those are the ones that we use on the road now, if we don't use disposable. But yeah, these are the things, as I said again, I've used with baby. I've used some local brand like lullabies, and there's this brand that I need to talk about. I can't remember the name. Hold on, let me. All right, so I got it because I had one remaining in his baby bag. Yeah, I still have a baby bag. I'm gonna read it. Anyways, so this brand, Good Baby, this Pampers, it's inexpensive. It's on our local market out here, and I'd compare it to the Pampers. Like, for me, the outside feel, like the cloth like feel, is important to me, as well as the soakability. That's not a word, but yeah, the soakability, the absorption the absorption of the diaper. This holds as well as the Pampers to me. And another thing is that they market it as fully cotton, so there's not a lot of chemical ingredients in it. So I appreciate that with this. Yes, there must be chemical because it's man-made, so some kind of, but there's not as much as the other diapers. That's how they market this, and I really like it. So as I said, the outside feel, like some of the local brands that I've tried, like lullabies, it's a little bit plasticky on the outside, and I really don't like that. I like it to feel like the Pampers and the Swaddles, like it feel like cloth on the outside, smooth on baby skin, because you know them parts still touch baby, and so it must feel comfortable to baby and to mommy when mommy at with baby too. So this is a brand that I'd recommend, the Good Baby. I've given somebody to try. They say they like it, but they stick to the Pampers because you know Pampers are the better quality, and they have a younger baby, so I don't mind that. But I wanted to introduce them to a inexpensive version, because for me, like, if it is, because right now we still use our Uggies and we still use our Pampers, but if it is that we're coming out buying, like, oh, pandemic there now, and we want to stretch the money, we'd buy this, because you can get 34,000 at Jamaican dollars, which is a lot. Yeah, I get fair money, because like but you can, that is close to the what the cheaper brand. No, 60 I think. I don't remember. Don't quote me on the price, but I think it's 30 for 1,100 the last time I bought it, which was a couple months back. You get for these, and as I said, them absorption is as comparable to the Pampers and the Swaddlers, and the feel as well. As you can hear, it don't feel plasticky. I'd have to get some to show you the example which I wanted to do, but I stop buy them cheap something because I can't do it, plus I have nappy, but I need for waste the money and so. But this is one that I recommend to our Jamaicans that need something inexpensive but want a good quality for the baby. I'd recommend this. So yeah, once again, that's my Empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you use on baby, like in the newborn stages versus toddler stages. I'm hopefully going to start potty training, so I'll be needing pull-ups soon, so give me some recommendation for pull-ups. I see Lullaby has some pull-ups. I might be trying well, I will be trying those because they're there, and the Huggies and the whatever pull-ups. Like, tell me what I need for the potty training stage. We have a potty training toilet seat, but because our toilet is so high, we're looking for the actual potty that we can put on the ground so he can reach it and even use it as a step. So that's what we are doing now, because I want him to be potty trained sooner than later, because this poo is getting stinky. He's becoming a big man, so big man must wear brief, but that is another story. That is a whole cloth diapering story of what to deal with. But yeah, this video is getting long, so anyways, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Hit me up on my all platforms, Instagrams, Snapchat, even though I don't Snapchat as much, but hit me up on all social medias. Share and like, comment and tell your friends about my channel. Yeah, I'm just a fun loving mom, makeup loving mom, on my journey of being a good mom to a lovely baby boy. So yeah, I hope you guys remember to wear the best you for the world to see. He's awake, so I'm going to go. And yes, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm recording and he's waking up. But anyways, bye dolls. Baby tired, look there. After 4 in the morning, wake up. See mommy's voice start going. Leave it. Say hi. Say hello. Hello? Say hello. Hi, my name is Diane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rawr. Rawr. Say hi, my name is Diane. My name is DJ. My name is Diane. My name is Mommy's Love Bug, right? Give me kisses, give me kisses. The baby sleep. Sleepy? You sleepy, baby? Give me kiss. Give me kiss. What are you looking at?